Hello everyone, welcome to SJECE classes. Please subscribe this YouTube channel to get all the videos at times. Today I will teach you computer, chapter 1 hardware and software. So kids, in your last class you read about that a car, a fan, a computer, all are machines. Each machine is made up of many parts. A computer is also made up of many parts. These parts are classified into two basic types, that is hardware and software. In this video we read about hardware. The part of a computer that we can touch and feel are called hardware. Some of these parts are attached to the CPU box through cable and some are fixed inside the CPU box. Let us learn about some commonly using hardware, that is monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, scanner, joystick, UPS, pen drive, hard disk, light pen, trackball, printer, speaker and headphones, microphone, projector, CD and DVD, and data cards. First is monitor. Whatever work you do on a computer is displayed on a monitor. A monitor is also called VDU, Visual Display Unit. Monitor are three types. First is cathode ray tube, that is CRT. CRT monitors look like a box. Second is liquid crystal display, that is also known as LCD. LCD monitors have a flat screen and are much lighter than CRT computers. They are mostly used in laptops and video games. Third one is light emitting dots, that is also known as LED. LED monitors are the latest type of monitors. They are similar to the LCD monitors but use much less power than CRT and LCD monitors. Next is CPU. The CPU box consists the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It consists of three parts. First is Arithmetic Logic Unit, which perform all calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Second one is Control Unit. Control unit controls the activity of the computer and also movement of data between the ALU and the memory. Third one is Memory Unit, where all the data and instructions are stored. It is called the main memory or primary memory as it is inside the CPU. Next, mouse. A mouse is used to point at things on a monitor. It is also used to draw pictures. Next one is keyboard. A keyboard is used to input text and numbers into a computer. Entering text into a computer is called typing. A keyboard has many keys. Scanner. It is used to copy the text and images from the paper to the computer. This data is stored in the computer in electronic form. This is also called a soft copy or a scanned copy. Joystick. The joystick is also a pointing device. It can move all the four directions. It is mainly used in playing games. Printer. A printer is used to transfer the work stored in a computer on a paper. Light pen. A light pen is also a pointing device which is similar to a pen. It is used to select an item from the menu. Trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebooks or laptop computers. Instead of a mouse, it is like a upside down mouse. Speaker. A speaker or a headphone is used to listen to sounds and music. Microphone. A microphone is used to record sound. You can record your voice by reciting a poem using a microphone. It is also called a mic. Projector. A projector displays image from the computer on a wall or a projector screen. UPS. A UPS keeps the computer working for some time in case of electricity goes off. CD and DVD. A CD and a DVD store our work. A DVD stores more information than a CD. Pen drive. A pen drive also stores our work. It is smaller in size than a CD and a DVD and can carry it in a pocket. It can even store more data compared to CD or a DVD. Hard disk. Whatever work you save on a computer is saved on the hard disk. The hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. It can store much more data than a CD, DVD or pen drive. Last one is data card. You can also store data in the data card. These are used in mobile phones, camera, etc. So kids, these are some commonly hardware. In next video, we will teach about software. Thank you.